Oh, wait a second. Let me show you this hold. Do you see this? I am pulling. I just want you to know that you are really special, special, special. Hello A-listers, it is me Ashley, and today we are going to do the literal most seamless install I've ever done in the history of installs. Wait until you see how easy this is. So for glue, yeah, I said glue. You guys know I am like the queen of glueless, but I think it's really important to be able to like work out, take a shower, and not have to constantly reinstall your wig every single time after, you know, you sweat and it gets a little steamy because the shower water is the temperature of lava. That's my business. So we're gonna go in with the KissAllMightyBond dual tip lace glue. What I love about this glue is the fact that it has this precision tip where the glue comes out this way. This is great for touch-ups or when you want to put glue in a very specific place. But my favorite part is the silicone tip. So you have this silicone tip, and with the silicone tip, the glue comes out from this tip as well. But the silicone tip is a 2-in-1. So you can like dot the glue and then you can use the silicone tip to spread it out as well and like make it like a thin layer. And then you can even see how quick it's drying down. Like it dries down so quickly, so seamlessly, and it gives you such a flawless finish. You can pick up your very own KissAllMightyBond dual tip applicator at your local beauty supply store or on Amazon.com. I will have the links in the description box down below so that you can shop your KissAllMightyBond dual tip applicator lace glue. But this is a game changer. Kiss is so innovative. They are literally the first company ever to make a dual tip applicator as far as lace glue is concerned. Literally no other company has done this. So thank you to my friends over at Kiss for partnering with me on this video. And before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join the A-list so you don't miss any of my new uploads. Like this video, give it a big thumbs up so I know to keep creating content for you guys. Most importantly, leave me a comment down below letting me know if you tried the KissAllMightyBond dual tip applicator or if you're interested, because I actually received 2 and I want to give 1 away to you guys. All you gotta do is let me know if you've tried it or if you're interested in it. And I mean, honestly, like while you're down there in the comment section, go ahead and let me know what you think about the install. Did I slay it or do I need to keep going to my stylist? You let me know, you be the judge. I'll let you decide, but let's go ahead and hop right in. Okay, so I'm going to be installing this 5x5 closure wig. This is a HD lace wig. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on the actual like lace itself so that it blends in a little bit seamlessly. But other than that, the knots have been bleached. My stylist already installed this unit as a glueless unit. So yeah, you can see the knots have been bleached and it just kind of like melts into my skin. But I'm excited because we're going to be using the KissAllMightyBond. Okay, so let me just show you the box. I have my my hot comb here and I have my flat iron here. So while that's heating up, I'm gonna show you the box itself. So this is what comes in the box. Here she is in all of her glory. I got 2. We should do a giveaway. I should give one of these away to you guys. One side is the precision tip and the other side is the silicone tip. So one thing you wanna make sure that you know, always remember, you never wanna have both of the tips open at the same time. Use one or the other, and while one is in use, make sure that the other one is secured. And completely closed off. So that's the only tip when it comes to utilizing this glue, but it's waterproof, it's a safe formula, and you guys know I usually do glueless installs, but I wanted to go ahead and try this glue because when it comes to glueless installs, when you're just using the spray or using a little bit of gel, what I've noticed is that when I go work out and when I get in the shower, listen, I don't know about you, but when I say showers, it is the temperature of lava. So there's a lot of steam in the shower. And of course you can use like all kinds of scarves and headbands and shower caps, and you can tie your hair up and like cover your hair when you have your glueless wig on. But what I've noticed is that because my shower water is the temperature of the afterlife. What happens is the steam, no matter what, gets on the lace somehow. What I've noticed is while it may be a little secure, what happens is, you know, you get steamy enough or you get sweaty enough, the glueless install will just slide right on off, you know? So the glueless install is great when it comes to just like putting it on, taking it off for a very temporary wear, but I wanna put the Kiss Almighty dual tip applicator to the test because I really want like a workout proof, shower proof wig install. I want to be able to kind of like do life and not have to completely reinstall my wig. Touch-ups are fine, but having to completely reinstall it, it can be a little time consuming. If there's an option like this one, I would rather just go with this one. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it to the test today. I'm super excited. Let me go ahead and put a little bit of makeup, like where the lace is actually going to like lay. So now it's time to put the wig on. I have to be careful because there's a candle burning behind me for aesthetics purposes, but I never want to like throw my hair back because I would never want to catch on fire. Not on camera. That'd be so embarrassing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just like take the elastic band and slide it on my head and then pull the wig back, slide the comb in. We're cooking with grease. And we're done. No, I'm just kidding. So I just have to figure out my placement. And you can do this without a wig cap. I personally don't do the ball cap method like at all whatsoever. I just feel like it's too intense. So this is the part where I'm just gonna figure out the placement where I want the wig to sit. Trying to make sure that it's like in the center. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull the wig back. Okay, so I'm gonna take some alcohol on a cotton pad and I'm just going to run it across my forehead at the very top. And then I'm just going to, like, again, brush the baby hairs down a little bit. And then I'm gonna take a little clip to clip my hair back. Like I said, I usually do glueless installs, but I'm really excited to do this install with glue. I am protecting my skin by wearing a wig cap, and I don't put like lace glue on my actual like hair, my natural hair. So I'm still protecting my hairline. I just wanted my installs to last a little bit longer, but also I wanted to be able to, like I said, work out, take a shower without having to completely redo my hair or do a lot of touch-ups day to day. So I'm gonna use the silicone tip, and I'm just going to start out by, hold on, let me, ooh, okay, that came out super easy. I'm gonna do dots at first, and then I'm gonna use the silicone tip itself to spread the product out. But I love the fact that no other tools are needed. You don't need to use like a wooden stick or anything. You don't need to use the tail of a comb, anything. You can just apply the lace glue and then use the same silicone tip applicator to spread it out. So you just dot it on, and then if I've learned anything about lace glue is you want to thin your layers out. So I'm just spreading this out from here to here so that it'll cover the length of the closure. And it is fast drying. I can tell, like, you know it's drying when it's not white anymore. So I'm gonna use my blow dryer and just kind of, you know, mosey the process on along just a little bit. So that's one layer. I think I'm gonna do 2 layers of the lace glue. Oh my gosh, it is so sticky. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is gonna be a good hold. I feel like that's enough. And just using this silicone tip is so easy to use. I'm just gonna close up this tip, just twist it right back on, and then okay, so I'm feeling like we're in good shape and we can just go ahead and pull this lace down. Y'all, I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. I feel like this is gonna be the best melt I've ever had. So let me just like run my thumb underneath it. Okay. And pull it forward. I'm just gonna use my edge brush. I need to do one teeny tiny touch up right over here, but that's exactly what the precision tip is for. So I'm literally just going to make like 3 quick little dots, spread those out, and then blow dry it. Oh my gosh, it is laid. Like, I mean, obviously you have these little flaps here, but this is because it's a closure unit. We're gonna do baby hairs and like flat iron the hair so that it comes straight down anyway, but oh my gosh, look at this. Look at how this glue has just like laid. This glue has laid my lace down. My next order of business is to bring down my baby hair, and then I'm just gonna go in with the tweezers. Y'all, I feel so gassed up right now because do you see these baby hairs? Oh my gosh, do you see the baby hairs? Do you see the baby hairs? I love doing these swoopy swoops, like one swoopy swoop and then one swoopy swoop on this side, one swoopy swoop on this side. I think it looks so cute. Okay, so I'm just doing my swoopy swoop on the other side. Ooh, these are some good baby hairs. So I had to run and go get my scarf. I personally don't like to use a silk scarf. I like to use kind of like, I don't know what this is. Let me be honest with you. I have no clue what this is, but it's like not silk for sure. It's a little bit more of like maybe a cotton blend. In the meantime, in between time, I'm gonna take a brush. I'm just taking my makeup brush. This is kind of like a small pointer brush, and I'm going in with eyeshadow, like a dark brown and a black eyeshadow. Okay, that's better. You just want to bridge the gap on the part. Yeah, that's so much better. It really like looks like scalp now. So what I'm gonna do is bring my hair to the front, and I'm just gonna use my flat iron. It turned off, but I'm gonna use my flat iron to just go in and flat iron my hair. While that's warming up though, I'm just gonna hot comb my hair. I can turn this back up a little bit. It was too hot. Okay, so you guys can see the difference from one side to the other. This side is like fully flat ironed and it's laying super duper flat. It's like chef's kiss. So I'm really happy with this side. All we have to do is get this side to match this side. Okay, y'all, are you ready to take this scarf off? I'm so excited. Let's see what this hair is doing underneath. I know my lace is laid. I just know it. I can feel it. Oh my gosh, y'all. It is so laid. Okay, so I'm gonna take my edge comb and I'm just gonna kind of like comb out the baby hairs like at the top. I don't want to disturb them all together because I like where they're sitting. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks so good. It looks so good. This is, yeah, this is it. Oh my gosh. Do you see how like laid this is? It looks so good. I feel like this is my literal best install that I've ever done at home. And this glue feels so secure, like, oh my god. I can't stop touching it. Like, it feels so secure. It is so laid. It looks so good. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. I'm not even gonna lie. I was so nervous going into this because you guys know I don't usually work with lace glue. And so I didn't know how it would turn out. I kind of feel like in past experiences working with lace glue, it's been a little messy, and it's dried kind of like with a white, flaky, sometimes like a white residue that I just didn't know like how to fix. So I was a little fearful going into this because I usually don't work with lace glue. I legit feel like an at-home hairstylist. And I know I can work out with this install and shower with this install, and I don't have to completely redo it 100% when I'm done. So make sure you go grab your very own KissAllMightyBond dual tip applicator and let me know how easy it is for you. Thank you so much again to Kiss for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much, A-listers, for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, join the A-list so you don't miss any of my new uploads. And until next time, stay beautiful. I love you guys. Goodbye. Mwah.